Here we have this 23 plate Renault Kangoo DCI Advance. It comes with the LED daylight running headlights. We've got the Renault badging in the centre. As we make our way around to the passenger side, you'll be able to see we've got the 16-inch silver Renault alloys just there. We've also got the black wing mirror and black door handles with the wind deflectors on the front window. We've also got a side loading door here on the passenger side, and as we make our way around to the rear, you'll be able to see that we've got the parking sensors running across the bottom of the bumper. We've also got a rear reversing camera with an in-car visual display, and we've also got a rear view camera as well, which is at the top of the doors just there, as you can see. Now I'm just going to open up inside and show you the back. As you can see, we've got it ply lined just there, plenty of space, and we've also got a loading door to the right hand side and one to the left. And as we close the doors, this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So we'll just take a closer look at the interior. As you can see, we've got the leather and cloth interior with the yellow stitching. We've got 3 seats on this bench here. One of them is currently folded down as an armrest, and you've got a place for your cups, and this does come up, and as you can see, it makes a 3rd seat just there very nicely. We've also got the electric side mirrors with the electric windows. Got the key here with the multifunctional steering wheel and the automatic lights on the stalk as well. So as I take a seat inside and turn this vehicle on, I've got my foot on the clutch, turn the key, and it starts over nicely. As you can see, there's no warning lights on the dashboard. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter, and we've got the auto lights with the indicator stalk just there. And on the right hand side, we've got the digital trip buttons here, and we've also got the volume button behind just there with the different sources and modes as well. Onto the main screen, you'll be able to see that we've got the smartphone integration for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is a touchscreen as well, so we've got the radio, the music, the phone, and the different applications there. So if you go onto the home screen, you'll be able to see that it comes up in a different, you can have whatever you like on there as well. If you go onto the home screen, so if you just press this one, and you can have all of the individual apps just there. Going back, show you music, you've got the Bluetooth connectivity there. We've also got the heated side mirrors button just here. We've got the air conditioning just there as well. So if you turn that on, we've got the air conditioning as well. We've also got the stop start button, and if you just press this here, then it comes up with the eco mode at the top, and if you press it, it goes off. And we've obviously got the lock door as well. 6-speed manual gearbox with the electric parking brake. We've also got a space there for accessories, and we'll just show you the rear view mirror just there. Now I'm just going to pop this vehicle into reverse, so you lift up, push across, and as you can see, we've got the reversing camera and the sensors just there. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.